Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you multiple methods to kick people off your Netflix account. So the very first thing we want to do is go to our web browser and we want to go to Netflix and sign into our account and choose the correct profile. Once here, you then want to choose your profile in the top right hand corner. Then you want to go ahead and click on account. So the first method to kick people off your Netflix account will be to sign out of all devices that you're currently signed into, and we'll do this by clicking on sign out of all devices, which is under the settings tab here. And once we're on this page, you want to go ahead and click on sign out. Now here it says you have been signed out of all devices, and this may take up to 8 hours to complete, so if you want to kick people off your Netflix account straight away, this wouldn't be the best method. So moving on to the second method will be to change your password, and you can do this by clicking on change password here under the membership and billing tab. Of course you want to enter your current password, enter your new one and confirm your new password. And then here's where the magic part is. You want to select this box where it says require all devices to sign in again with new password, and then click on save. That way when they load up Netflix next time they click on it, they'll have to enter this new password that they don't know, so they can't access your Netflix account. Now on for the third and final method, which is my favourite, will be to set parental controls. And this basically means every time they load up a movie, they'll have to enter a 4-digit PIN, and they can only watch the movie if they know that 4-digit PIN. So to do this, again you want to make sure you're under the settings tab, and you want to go ahead and click on parental controls under the settings. Once here, it's going to prompt you to enter your account password, so you're going to do that now. And once you've entered your password, you should be taken to a page that looks like this. So what you want to do is click on the first box here, and you want to go ahead and enter 4 digits that you want to use. So I'm just going to use 4 ones for example. Then want to go ahead and click on save. Now our PIN has been set, we want to then go ahead and select the maturity level of when this PIN is needed. So if you want this PIN to basically have to be entered every single time you watch a movie, you want to make sure this green slider here is all the way at the very left, so that way you say all content is protected by PIN. So that way, whether they know your password or not, they're going to need to know this PIN in order to watch a movie. Now if you do want to take this PIN off, all you got to do is make sure this slider is all the way to the right again, and here it's going to say PIN protection off, and all content is not restricted, so you can watch it without a PIN. And there's 3 methods in order to kick people off your Netflix account. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching and have a good day.